Home loans for bad credit score. A borrower really needs three things to get a home loan: excellent credit, large down payment, and low debt to income ratios. Now, these are the things that the lenders look at it and grant credit to a borrower in an ideal situation. The lender always wants borrower to have excellent credit, a big down payment, and very low debt to income ratios. And such loans are nowadays far and few in between. That's why we have to get into the real nitty gritty of things. But nothing can be far from the truth and from the ideal situation, because we live in the real world and in this economy. Even if you have a bankruptcy, if you have foreclosures or any other major credit problems, you can still get a home loan, which is doable and which is acceptable to the lenders. So, what if you don't have a large down payment and all these ideal conditions here? Here is what to show, and you don't have these things to show. So, what do you do as a loan officer or as a borrower sitting across a loan officer? And here are the things that you can do. You can emphasize on your loan application other assets. There are columns in there which you could just fill out, and it shows about the value of your life insurance, for example, or retirement accounts, or any other business assets that are there that could emphasize and and enhance your balance sheet side of the loan application. You can also emphasize your job stability, how long you've been at work, if you had been working for a long period of time, and if you have experience in the same line of work for more than 2 to 5 or 6 years. The more longer you have, the better it counts towards a stability of the profession. So if you can emphasize those things, many people just simply do not put all of these things or pay any attention to these little things which make a loan application or a lending decision much easier for them. You can also show you manage how you have managed your past credit problem, like you have a discipline, you paid your bills off, or you're paying some of them off, and now you're saving some money, like $500 to $600 or whatever that you're saving, and you could show that to the lender. Also, being staying in one place and maintaining in a community, the lenders and the lending community usually takes it very nicely, and the lender and makes a very favorable decision that if you're going to be staying there in one place and not moving from place to place in the community, so that shows a lot of stability. These are the things, are points that could be emphasized on a loan application. Always never forget to emphasize all your other assets and job stability and experience whenever possible on a loan application to get a home loan, even with bad credit scores, and it does count. So, um, if you need more information, please go to alliancemtg.com, and there is tons of stuff here that you can read and understand how these things work.